What's going on, everyone? It's Tafari back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about how you can build credit and make money online with an online business. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so you're obviously watching this video because maybe you have bad credit, or you maybe just want to make more money. Everyone wants these things out of life. It's all about taking action. So I want you to remember that. So hit that subscribe button before we actually start talking about this. It's all about taking action. So you can watch this entire video. I can teach you all the strategies, but if you take action, what I'm going to tell you, things are actually going to change. You may solve your issues. Okay, so let's start with what this is. Basically, there are, opportunities out there, where you can go and make more money. There's things out there where you can go and build your credit or get your credit fixed. So let's say you have a horrible credit. There's agencies you can go to. There's, or there's maybe people or agents themselves who are out here fixing credit for you, and they'll charge you, an arm and a leg, $500, $2,000 or $1,000 to build your credit over the years. That's great and all, but not everyone has that sitting around. Not everyone, can pay that much at that moment. And I understand, like, it's all about the value that it has and what it can do long term. But I completely understand. You were obviously watching this video on YouTube in particular because you wanted to learn how to do this yourself. That's why you're watching a how-to video. So it's not about going to them. It's more about learning it yourself. You want to learn the strategies that it takes to, get rid of the bad remarks in your credit card, getting your first credit card, building, financial portfolios to pay off, your debt, getting rid of the debt that you may or may not have. You want strategies that are concrete and that you're able to use. And that's why it's best that you're watching this video, okay? So you need to make sure, if you want to build your credit, there's things that you have to have. You have to have a long aging credit line. Your credit lines have to have a long age. You have to pay all your bills on time. You have to have no derogatory marks, and you need to, not have too many hard inquiries on your credit line. You need to make sure everything's together. You also, as I said, with the length, it increases. So what you need to do is you need to be able to have a plan in which you get these things removed. If you have any derogatory marks, hard inquiries, you want to get them removed that are unnecessary. Then you want to have a plan in which you can eliminate your debt. Then you want to also have a strategy that you can use to do all of those things. So you want to have a strategy where you can eliminate your debt and get rid of these hard inquiries, okay? And what goes really good with this is having a vehicle that can actually pay for you to eliminate your debt, and the strategies to help you get rid of the derogatory marks, or get rid of anything that's keep holding your credit score down. Okay, so you want to really go out and educate yourself on these things, and that's why I want to show you something amazing at the end of this video. It's a bonus that you can take access to help you get both of these things done. So you want to understand that you need both of those things. So let's say those are the main steps to making money online, to building credit. Now you want to think about the making money online aspect and why this works so much, why these two things pair so well together. A lot of the reasons a lot of people have a bad credit score is because they have a lot of unpaid debt that they need to pay, and it's hurting their credit score. You may have maxed out credit cards that you need to pay off. You may have student loans that you have to get rid of. You want to pay that off, so you need an extra vehicle because we all know you have bills. Some of you may have children. Some of you guys may just have other expenses in your life that are preventing you, or even your bad decisions you made with your credit card that are preventing you from getting this all together. So you're looking to make some more money to be able to eliminate your debt and pay off all your bills and make sure everything's just running afloat. So what you need to do is now learning how to make money online. And the strategies to making money online are pretty simple. What you want to do is simply find a product in demand that anyone can use. Then you want to share this product to the people who need them. And then you just want to, if people want to take action with the product, you generate a sell for it. That's the best way you can do to making money online in this year. Now, those are the simple three concepts to it, but there are a bunch of strategies that go behind it. So what you want to do is You want to go out there and learn, or find a mentor who can actually teach you these things. You want to find a team that's also doing these same exact things, and you want to find something that's duplicatable and has a proven system that basically works to help you make money online. You don't want to go out there, dabbling in trying to just sell things online. You want to find things with systems, because systems work. That's just how it is. There's always a system of everything. I want you to think about a restaurant or a McDonald's. The reason McDonald's is around is because, it doesn't matter how garbage their food is to some people. They have a system that works to bring customers in and keep customers coming back, and they follow a system. They have their advertisements, then they have their selling you things on the dollar menu, then they upsell you to a drink. They have their customer service. They have their customer service on the phone. They have their cashiers. They have their managers. They're all running a system. The people who clean up, those are all part of a system that function all while to create a successful business that is duplicatable and that other people can do, or at least people who can afford to do it. Now, it's not duplicatable for everyone, but it's a duplicatable business, simply because, as you can see, there's millions and millions of McDonald's all over the place. I think now it's hundreds of thousands of them, but it's super a lot because the business is duplicatable in many areas. And that's how you want to find you a system that works whenever you're making money online, which also pairs with the product. And you also want to find, as I said, mentor. You want to find someone or a group of people who are also duplicating the same exact thing. That way it makes it easier for you to learn. You catch, basically, as it becomes easier, you start making money faster than you just trying to figure it out on your own. And, half of the time, it's just good to surround yourself with people who are also doing the same thing as you, because you gradually, there's a saying, like, if you hang out with a bunch of 6-figure earners, 7-figure earners, you're bound to be the next, because of what they are pushing onto you and, sharing with you and what you learn from them. So that's basically, and as you make money online and you learn the strategies to, eliminating debt, and with the money that you make, and building a great portfolio to put yourself into a financial freedom position, that's when you can move on to more ventures and more life and have that freedom and have the location freedom, all for making money online and have that amazing credit score. Now, imagine what it's like to have a 750 credit score and to be pulling in an extra $1,000 to $2,000 a month, or even more, $1,000 to $5,000 a month, $1,000 to $10,000 a month, simply from building an online business and using strategies to get your credit and eliminate your debt. What would that be like? If you really want to learn what that would be like, I really suggest you click the link in the bio. It's available for anyone. You click the link below, you take action on it, and I hope to see you on the other side. This opportunity is amazing. There's hundreds to even thousands of people who are really succeeding with this system and succeeding with this opportunity to really generate an income online. So click the link below, take action, opt in, and start getting paid and start getting your credit repaired and getting it all fixed. I really want to show you another way. Okay, you watching this for a reason, so take action. You're going to learn how to push a product into demand and build your credit at the same time and make money. All right, it's Tafari. I'm signing out. Peace.